Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. If you visited our channel before, you may know that we've shown you guys how to make a simple alcohol-based spray perfume in the past. Well, today we'll be teaching you how to make a cologne. Although they may seem similar, perfume and cologne contain different concentrations of fragrance oils. So without further ado, let me show you how it's done. First, we're going to start with our perfumer's alcohol, otherwise known as SDA 40B, which I have right here. This is the ideal base for our cologne and will effectively carry the fragrance molecules off of your skin and into the air around you. I've already got this in my beaker, measured out, ready to go. So now that's all that's left for us to add is our fragrance oil of choice. There's lots of things to consider when selecting a scent for your perfumes or colognes, so keep the following in mind. Do you want it to be worn daily, or will it be reserved for special occasions? Personal preferences vary widely, so keep in mind what your personal client base is looking for in a fragrance. If you're not really sure where to start, try checking out AFI's web store. I have so much fun browsing through the different fragrance families, finding new and exciting scents to try, and I found some of my favorites that I never thought that I would like. And did you know that AFI also offers 6 free samples with every order? Try them out, see which one's your favorite. That's what I did, and I found so many new ones. And there's a bunch to choose from, like I said, so don't forget to check it out. So I want my cologne to be masculine, sophisticated, and dark. With these parameters in mind, I picked out AFI's Vintage Wine. I think it's really unique and I think it'll be really great for this project. So I already have this pre-measured, so all I have to do is dump this into my SDA 40B and give the two a good stir. The ratio of fragrance oil to perfumer's alcohol is what makes this eau de cologne and not eau de perfume or toilette. So I'm going to dump this in and give it a quick stir. Alrighty, now that this is done, we can move on to our packaging. A cologne's packaging is just as important as a fragrance, as it's what draws the customers to the bottle to smell it in the first place. So whether you keep it simple or you want to go to the extreme, make sure your packaging represents the brand's image. For this fragrance, I chose a classy and dark bottle, which I think is perfect for the sophisticated message that I'm trying to send with the fragrance inside. So I'm going to unscrew this. And if you're like me and you make messes, go ahead and grab a little mini funnel, place it on top, and then you pour in like so. Let's set this off to the side. I'm just gonna pour it in. Alrighty, I'm just gonna place this in here, screw on our top, and just like that, you're already done. Look how nice and beautiful this is. Ooh. This cologne cost me about $5 to make, so it could sell for wholesale $7 to $10 and retail for $12 to $20. The price of your cologne and perfume is entirely dependent on the fragrance that you use. So the more expensive the fragrance, the more expensive the cologne. Looking for more projects to check out? Head on over to our channel and give our DIY playlist a watch. There you'll find tons of ideas to add to your line, from incense to shampoo and everything else in between. I'm Maddie and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks for joining us in the lab, and drop a comment down below with what you would like to see us make next. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys again really soon. Bye!